Canada International Models with the men of Iford! So kapag nagtanim ka ng kabutihan, aani ka rin ng kabutihan. Agree? We change lives by sharing wellness, health, hope, prosperity. The more you care, the more you share. Ang balik sa'yo ay maging millionaire. Kapag iniisip mo na papalpak ka talaga. Number 2, Kidlin's Law. If you write the problem down clearly and specifically, you have solved half of it. Clarity brings solutions. When you take on a task, finding the best way to achieve the desired result is always your responsibility. Own the outcome, not the excuse.
Welcome to our special celebration Independence Day. Tagay sa tagumpay ni Tatay, our June 2025 Sizzle event.
So tapos na ang Mayo, the 5th chapter of the year is complete. 2025 is now 41% done. Huwag kang malungkot kung mabagal ang usad. Ang mahalaga ay hindi ka tumigil sa pagkilos. %80 of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Focus on what truly matters. The more choices you give people, the longer they take to decide. Simplicity speeds progress.